All right, everyone, thanks for joining me here today. And if you have a ThetaTrader demo account, not only do you have access to ThetaTrader and all the daily menu of Theta trades and the backtesting with the trade simulator, but you also have the trade alerts that you'll be receiving. So I'm going to walk you through that real quickly. And before we get started, do take a look at the risk disclosure. You might want to pause the screen or take a picture and read through that, but only risk capital should be used when trading, and past performance is never a guarantee of future results. Okay, so here is a demo account that we use for webinars and demonstrations and so forth, and yours will look pretty much the same. You'll see the menu of theta trades available, the bullish and the bearish and the non-directional strategies available on the three indexes, the E-mini S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100 mini, and Russell 2000 mini. And of course, all of the strategies are pre-populated. For example, you see here the Dragonfly is available in the various expirations on the E-mini S&P 500 and so forth, or there's bearish positions, bullish positions, and so forth. Here are your open positions with your short spreads, any positions here that you've collected premium for. You can see all the colors here on the RTI giving you the signal whether or not the RTI is green, yellow, orange, blue, and red. All mean something different, but we won't go into that right now. Here are your open long positions, and here's all your account info here directly connected with your Altavest trading account. But here's what I want to focus on here. So when you log in to your account, you will see during the week, not every day, but certainly once or twice, maybe 3 times during the week, you'll have a trade alert. And this alert is going to be specific and custom tailored for you and your account. So what I mean by that is it'll be pre-sized, so the quantity will be reflective of what is available in your trading account for trades. And also the strike prices won't be overlapping any current existing positions as well as the expiration. So you can see here this is selling 16 of the Russell July Dragonflies. Here are the strike prices, and what we do here is we just view the trade. It's going to take just a minute here to pull that up. Got some serious thinking to do with all the different legs of the option spread. And here's what it looks like. So you can see there's a message here selling the July week 3 expiration on the Russell 2000 Dragonfly position here. And we've kind of modified the theta trade, lowering the strikes on basically both of the calls and the puts. It has 46 days till expiration. And you can see on the Dragonfly, if you're not familiar with it, you're selling 4 out of the money calls and buying 3 further out of the money calls and 1 closer to the money. And then the same structure on the puts. You're selling 4 puts, you're buying 1 closer to the money and 3 further out of the money. So these are covered positions. Every short option is associated with a long option. And you can notice the put you buy here and the call that you buy here. In both cases, it's closer to the money than the 4 that you've sold. So it will have a higher delta, and therefore theta decay won't impact it as much. And it might even come in handy as the trade matures, because there are times when a Dragonfly structure compared to a condor will benefit you in regards to being able to close out the position earlier before expiration. And you can see the expiration here with this kind of purple vertical line. And then sometimes also the condor, an equivalent condor, may end up with a red RTI, which would be a losing trade, and the Dragonfly may not. And that's because you own this call and you own this put, and those act as a bit of a hedge. And then what you can do is see down here, the quantity. You can change the quantity by lowering it if you'd like. Perhaps there's some reason why you might want to place the trade, but maybe not the full amount that was sent to you in the alert. So instead of 16, why don't we go ahead and do 14? And of course, all of the numbers get moved and adjusted along with the quantity. And we'll just go ahead and do 14 of these. And these are the Dragonflies we're trying to get filled at just over 8.5 points. You can see the premium being collected here. These are all net of commission, and the cash required for this trade has 46 days till expiration. And if you'd like that trade, all you simply do is touch accept. And of course, this also comes to you via your phone, and you'll also receive an email. So if you receive an email, you'll just click the link and you'll have access to accept the trade alert. And of course, it comes to you on your phone with a text message. You touch the link on the text message. It also pulls up a screen similar to this here. And you just touch accept to place the trade, and the order is then placed, and we handle everything for you. We'll go ahead and do that now. And there you see, it just shows up in today's orders. And of course, placing the order doesn't necessarily mean it gets filled, but that's simply how you place the order. And if it is filled, it will show up on your dashboard as normal. And we'll just go back to the dashboard here. Just give it one moment. Okay, so that's how you do it, folks. It's really user-friendly, very intuitive, and you can place these very kind of complicated looking spreads just with one touch, and then the ThetaTrader will monitor that position for you along the way. And if you don't know how to do that, it's real simple as well. You go to the settings, and then you just click the activate the risk manager, and you activate the profit directive, and then ThetaTrader will track those positions for you day by day. And when they reach a blue profit threshold or a red risk level, whichever comes first, ThetaTrader will then place those orders and close out those positions for you. All right, folks, so that'll do it. If you have any questions on your demo account, and if you'd like to learn more and so forth, we'd love to hear your feedback. Give us a ring, give us a call. I'll put the link and the information in the description below. Thanks for joining us. We'd like to have you trading with us soon. Bye-bye.